Hi everyone, welcome back to the RP Price Lego Build and Review channel. I have a new build and we'll review this at the end of the video. It's a Lego City set, just released recently. The F1 Formula Car set, 60443 is the set number. It's 322 pieces. It's the F1 Pit Stop and Pit Crew with Ferrari car. This would be a great set for kids. And I think adults could use this too, just blend it in with your other Formula cars. This could be blended in well with Formula cars of Speed Champion and made into a nice little area. If you want to have a nice little race area, this would be a great little set to set up and kind of complement that area. So what we have is 3 numbered bags. Being 322 pieces, there aren't a lot of bags in this set. It's a pretty simple set, but it has a nice look to it, which would really enhance a little race car area. 2 manuals, one for the little Ferrari car and one for the actual pit stop itself, which has a lot of nice little details in it, which you'll see as we build along. I'll stop at every bag and give you just a quick update as to how it's coming along and what it looks like. Here's your sticker sheet, just a few stickers, nothing major. And there's a base plate right here, which we'll be using. That was packaged separately. So we'll get on to this. Let's go into this build and see how it comes along. And I appreciate you guys coming along with me. And I'll check in from time to time and let you know. Probably on each bag we'll check in, and I'll give you a progress report at that point. Thank you so much for coming along with me. I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you so much for watching. If you like this, please subscribe, like, or share. Much appreciated. Always appreciated. Appreciate you guys watching. Thanks very much. We'll be back. Hello, welcome back. We're through bag 1 of the F1 Pit Stop and Pit Crew with Ferrari car set. 322 pieces, 6+ set. It's a Formula 1 set. This is a newer set that's just recently been introduced. This is what the first bag did. It built the little miniature Ferrari F1 car, and that's going to go into this pit stop set once we get the rest of us complete. So we're going to go into bag 2, as you can see here, and that's already laid out and ready to go. And we'll still have bag 3 to go as well. And there's going to be 2 more minifigures built in this bag, which I believe there's 4 minifigures total. 3 of them are the pit crew, and of course the driver, which you already see completed and in the car. It's a cute little car. It's really, it's sort of a Speed Champion size car, a little bit smaller than a normal Speed Champion, but has some pretty good detail. It's a neat looking little car, and it's a Ferrari. All the parts here, by the way, on this were all printed parts, which is kind of neat. So we'll be back. This is just a short stop here to give you a progress report, and we are going to move on to bag 2. So we'll be back after bag 2 and show you what the progress is. Thank you for watching. Welcome back. We're through bag 2. 1 bag to go. We're going to start bag 3 on the F1 Pit Stop and Pit Crew with Ferrari car set. Here's 2 of the crew members, minifigures. There's 2 more of those. There's a total of 5 minifigures of this set. I said 4 before. There's actually 5. There's 2 more to be built right here. And of course the driver in the Ferrari is the 5th one. So we have bag 3 laid out. That'll be the completion of the set, which I will come back and give you the final look and let you know what I think about this set. So far it's gone together very well. The parts are fitting very tightly, excellent quality. I think over the last few years actually Lego's getting better in their quality of their bricks. They're looking much better over time. Everything's fitting real well. Manuals, typical good quality. We'll go through the parts list and so forth when I do my final review at the end of this build. And we'll be back with that very shortly. Just hang in there with me. I'm glad you're all hanging in there with me. This is a fun build. It's going to make a real nice pit stop for F1 race cars. It's going to be real nice. And so we'll give you all the details when we complete this. So hang in there with me. I'm glad you are. And we'll be back shortly to finish this up. Thanks very much for watching. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is the final build of F1 pit stop and pit crew with Ferrari car. Set number 60443, 6+ age range, 322 pieces. This is the completion of the set. This was the final bag. And as you can see, this blends in very, very well with your F1 cars, as I have here. It's a nice display piece to add to your F1 collection. And this would be great playability for children also. This is a real nice set for children to play with. And makes a nice little pit stop for your F1 collection that you can add in and highlight your display. It had two manuals. First manual was for the little miniaturized F1 Ferrari car, which is a pretty nice little miniaturized car. And the actual pit stop itself were bags 2 and 3. And again, the first bag was for the car. We'll move on to the set. This is pretty unique. They have a lot of nice graphics on here. They have displays to measure the car's performance. You have spare tires right here. These move up and down. The F1 car, which is already in the pit, can roll through and come out. The car is really neat. A little miniaturized Ferrari F1 car. The back here, there's a lever that pulls in and out, which closes the pit stop, like so. So this can, a little hard to hold here, but this opens and closes the gates to the pit stop right here. And in there you have your crew members, each one holding a impact gun to change tires, I'm assuming. And the wire is going up to the different displays. And of course the ramps on each side that you can roll the cars through. Display here. So you have a total of 5 minifigures in this, 4 crew members, and of course the driver, which is in the car. And he's all dressed in red to highlight Ferrari. It's a real nice little set. It adds a lot of color and adds some functionality to your F1 collection. And this would really be nice to just to give you a little pit stop within your F1 collection, such as you see here. Now keep in mind, none of these F1 cars I'm showing here are part of this set. These are all just ones I built. These are Speed Champions, with the exception of the rear one, which is a mid-size Noam car. And yeah, this is a beautiful little set, a lot of fun. Kids would really have fun with this, and I think it would make a nice display piece for adults that have a nice F1 collection like this. So do consider this one. This is a really nice little set for $29.99. I think this really enhances your display and adds some playability for the kids also. So it has multi-functions here. So yeah, I'd recommend this. Went together very well. The parts are, again, typical of Lego, all high quality, and have a lot of color and a lot of detail. Manuals were excellent, no problems there. The set goes together pretty easily, no issues at all. So this would be one to consider. This would be a strong one to consider. It's a newer set, new F1 Formula 1 set from Lego, and really nicely priced, I think, to enhance your display that you have now. So give this a try. This would be a nice set to have. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and subscribe, like, or share. Much appreciated. The subscriptions really help me. They don't cost you anything, and they really do help the channel. So I can bring in more of these builds and reviews. Much appreciated. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got something out of this video, and it helped you realize what this set is and what a nice piece it would be to add to your collection. So thanks so much. We'll be back with another build. I have one more Formula One build coming up, and that will be next. And this would really enhance it as well. Thank you so much, and we'll be back with the next build. Have a good one. Thanks.